This is a 1998 GMC Sierra 1500 4x4.
In this video, we're gonna see if this was a cheap flip or a money pit. But first, we gotta go pick it up.
All on this week's episode of Project Sullivan.
GMC Sierra. If you're curious what the problem is, we got a weird lapping situation happening here. So Uncle Scotty's hooking up the chain. What are you doing?
The hook won't fit through.
Oh. Hey, that tree's for sale.
Yeah, I noticed.
He's gonna be turning the steering wheel. It's just as much work.
Did you put your seatbelt on?
Do I need to?
No.
Well, that depends on your driving.
Put the window down so you can hear us.
Yeah, with the dead battery.
Can't get nothing over on you this early in the morning, huh? To your left, Gogo. To your right. To your left. That side's way off, huh?
Only technically, he's gonna have to put it in a 4 low.
To your right. That's good.
Straighten out.
Straight. Now do the hook.
It looks like somebody's towed there before. Hold a little tension on the line here.
I'm not sure how much charge on this battery.
So, battery died. And let's go get our emergency. They never had juice, you know? Don't you all go to pick up a vehicle without any juice in your battery? You ready for a will it run? You're wanting to move this bad boy, right?
It's not a little truck. It's not a heavy trailer either.
What do you think of the truck? That's not an answer. What do you think of the truck?
Are you good? He turned the key off.
Okay.
Well, I appreciate you, Mike.
I'll let you know about the other truck.
If you ever want to get rid of it, let me know.
For sure.
Hey, Nikki, I'm glad you can help with the video. That's always a good sign.
It's all loose.
We have another amazing body mount over here. Look at that brake line.
Yeah.
They got this brake line spun so much it almost looks like a spring. SRB on the frame, I don't know what the hell that means. I might steal those for our Suburban.
What?
Them aluminum alloy rims.
Ha!
And then you'll get some 22s, chrome 22s.
Yeah, but not on a four-wheel drive.
What are you talking about? They came off of 4-wheel drive. Get your tool over there, your drill. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
What socket's on there? What socket does it say is on there?
EY. A half.
Half? Okay, we gotta put that other socket on there. The one from over there.
I can't.
Right here. You just pull it off.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
You need 2 hands. Oh, I guess you can do it 1 hand.
I don't have 2 hands.
Okay.
I only have 1 hand to do.
Nope. You gotta flip it over. Did it work? Oh, okay. I didn't know if it was a 3/8 or not. You gotta take this bolt out right here and this bolt right here.
I can't see the bolts.
You gotta move over here then.
I can't. I'll get splinters.
Right here, we gotta take that bolt out and that bolt out. Hold it tight. Whoa. Just tap it.
What does that mean?
Just give a little tap.
Tap, taparoo. Okay.
Those are short bolts, huh?
Yeah, they do seem like they're pretty short. Alright, let me see if I can get under here and get this.
Watch your head.
Should have said that before. That almost hit my head.
Oh, that's a big starter. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, yeah, it is.
I need a couple of wrenches here to get these cords off. Oh, I like that. Look at that. RTV to the rescue. Didn't work that time.
It's probably loose.
Yeah, but the other one's not. I need those or something.
I think oil's gonna spill on.
Only probably.
Oh, seriously.
Never mind.
What?
It decided to come disconnected on its own.
Oh, myself. I'll bring my eyes.
Okay, you can get out now.
Hey, Mark.
Yeah.
Check out that drawer. There's the drawer in the floor. Here, wait. Check this. Too big. Probably that one side that nobody ever has.
They're like, you know what? We've had this socket forever. We need to use it on something. How about we put it on a starter? I'm glad I went to wash my hands just to well, it definitely wasn't a speed wrench. No wonder I call it a fully adjustable.
That thing works pretty good.
Yeah, if I get one of those, it's gonna have to be yellow. No, for no other reason than that's what I have the batteries for.
I took that off. I think I should take the top off.
It was so you had an easier way to grasp the solenoid.
I'm gonna take that one out too.
Oh, nuts. Fully adjustable hammer.
It was loose.
Well, let's see inside from the other side. Well, that looks like, is that a carriage bolt style? That is a carriage bolt style.
Yeah, but I don't think it. I think it just sits on there.
Yeah, hold on. Let me see the inside real quick.
I think it just sits on there and it bolts, and then you put a nut from the top and it holds up against this.
Yeah, I think it's supposed to have two nuts. We need to find a nut that fits that.
On the back, on this side.
Yeah.
Why don't we just see if we can use the one off the other one?
Oh, we might be able
Twist
to do that. What's gonna work? Teamwork. Don't break it.
Yeah, maybe I should have.
Don't break the broken starter. Is this what they said was wrong with it?
It says it starts intermittently, but he said the starter's broken.
So this is what he meant by the starter starts intermittently.
Well, maybe not. No, he said it's the computer, the microchip in the key. There is no chip in the key, so.
Not in that one.
Watch out.
I think it's the starter.
I think it's a park neutral safety switch.
It might be.
See, so it's gonna have it locks in.
Yeah, but you got to hold it out. I don't know if that's going to be the right one. I just found that one randomly.
Oh, but it'll fit.
I literally just found that. Like, oh, this looks like it might be the right size. They're making contact with that deal on the inside. Don't be stealing my tools. Back! Back!
We're not.
Because I'm using the world's worst ratchet. Because we're about to put this starter back in. After I drop this camera for the millionth time.
If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, it doesn't work.
It doesn't work. It's probably in there. Probably not engaging.
So let's see what we got going on here.
Taken apart.
All right, so we got our 12-volt battery here, right? So we got our jumper cables hooked up. Our ground is set up to the ground right here. Our positive is set up to our solenoid here. And now we are going to try to jump the starter to see if it works. You want to go ahead and jump it, Grandpa?
No.
You gotta go to this one, don't you? Oh, what's wrong?
And then if it was actually, you want to check the starter itself, you hit it right there.
What if you want to check the battery to make sure the battery has juice?
Yeah. Better check. There's a meter over there on the wall. That battery's probably better than dead.
All right, well, let's get the meter so we can check
Where's
it
the
then.
meter at?
Okay,
I found the
check
battery
very good ground.
outside, so I'm not sure.
Oh, yeah. I forgot about that. Okay.
Got the battery tester out.
It goes to dead.
Does it have any juice though? Some, right?
It shows hot and all of a sudden it goes all the...
Well, that's fine. As long as it's got some power to it.
It's just got to crank that starter over a little. It should have done
Yeah,
something.
There's no crankshaft on it, so it's not connected to nothing.
that battery's dead. You gotta have...
Yeah, but there's no power. It should at least turn. You should get something out of it.
Well, didn't you put it up there?
Now try it, Pappy.
That battery's dead, but it's hard to work.
Solenoid's working, kind of.
Well, Nita, look here.
That battery's dead.
That's a Bendix. So it looks like we fixed the problem when we took it apart. It was
Found-
missing that bolt. Now we gotta find another bolt, or is there one over there already?
Yeah, I think I left that one over there. Don't worry, I got our best impact socket on there. A 3/8 chrome
Heart,
heart.
but it's got heart.
An SAE 14 mil. Here, I might be able to get it from the top.
I don't know why they put silicone on it.
They thought it would hold it.
There you go. Yeah, silicone don't f. It's not a glue.
Nope, I can't do it. My fingers are too big.
I had to readjust my arms.
Here's a metric 1/2 inch. Pick your hand up, your left hand.
I don't know, so. When working with a starter, we should always pull the battery cables off. That you don't shock yourself.
To run or not to run.
Oh, silicone came out.
That's one way to take the silicone out. Now you just got to connect that wire. You're going to give it the Twist Job Deluxe? You got the wrong You need me to get some snips or something? Some wire strippers? Let me go get some wire strippers. I'll be right back.
Maybe a butt connector?
He said butt.
Butt.
Scott, you got a butt connector? I don't.
He said butt.
Butt connector.
I don't need one yet. I'd like to just twist it.
Give it the old Twist Job Deluxe.
Well, cut this one off and redo it. Well, that didn't do no good. That whole thing broke off.
All right, perfect. Now you got to drop the starter again.
No shit. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna build a new wire. That one on the starter broke. So we're gonna build a new one. That way we can be legit. And we don't have no problems once we sell it. The other people that we sell it to ain't gonna have no problems either. I'm just making a little adapter wire. That way, if I get back under the truck, I don't have to worry about not getting it done right. Now it's time to splice this wire into the starter wire. So here we are, dirty hands, signs of clean money. We're gonna put a battery in it and see if she'll run. So we basically got this barely hooked up, but just good enough to hopefully start it right now. As you can see, there's no bolts on the top of that hood. So we're gonna close the hood down just to see if we can get it going. Power came on. Well, the key's turning over. I don't know if it's getting any fuel though. Okay, so the first crank didn't start. I could hear the fuel pump coming on. The gauge says it's full of oil. I mean fuel. I don't know if that's true. So we'll have to go further into it. The motor definitely turns over. The weather's getting worse outside as I speak. It's getting cold and windy, so I don't know if I'm gonna do any more today on this, but we'll definitely put some fuel to it or some starter fluid and see if it'll start.
Well, it's cranking.
If you've been watching this long, you might as well subscribe.
Looks like we're gonna have to put more work into the Chevy, but we'll keep you updated. Write in the comments below what you think might be wrong with it.
If you want to see the cool things we did to the Nova, check out this corner. If you want to see all the cool things we did in my Nova, check out the left-hand corner.
Remember, don't wait for opportunity, create it.